Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to switch off an OPPO phone without using the power button. In case your power key doesn't work or you're just curious, you can do this by launching Settings. Go to Additional Settings, then Accessibility, and turn on the Accessibility menu shortcut. Click Allow, then tap the shortcut. Among the available options, tap on Power, and the Power Off menu will appear. Simply drag the slider to the Power Off option, and that's it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye.